Hey, have you been wondering what you could do to get more views as a small YouTuber? Or maybe as a new YouTuber? Well, it's what I've been trying to find out too. And here is what I've discovered so far and the magical tool that makes it all possible. Of course, I'm talking about TubeBuddy. I'm sure that's why you clicked this video in the first place. So I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy to get more views by applying it to the 3 things that I found that really help. And there are a bunch of different ways that people say will grow your YouTube channel. While some methods work, some others don't work so well. There's some that I saw that waste your time, and then there's some that may waste your money. And then there are those that waste your time and your money. I'm sorry if you're one of those that wasted money as well. You probably should have subscribed. Don't be like Jimmy. Make sure and be a subscriber. Alright, so let's get into it. So to follow along, you'll want to go ahead and download the free TubeBuddy extension. It's the first link in the description below. While we'll be mostly using the free features, there are 1 or 2 features that we will be utilizing the paid aspects of TubeBuddy. So click the link in the description below to get started for free. Let's talk about the first thing. You're going to need to make sure that your video idea is relevant first. Let's hop into the TubeBuddy extension, and we're going to go straight into the Keyword Explorer. As you go in, you can see what's trending. Here is based on the country, so they have United States as the default here. And you can see all the different searches for each topic. We can even check a different country here. For example, let's check Canada. As you can see, the results change, and you can see the number of searches and what are the topics. You can check United Kingdom. You can do this for any different country and see what is trending based on the region. Now there's a chance that your video topic, your video idea, the keyword that you're interested in is not, you don't see it in trending there. Let's use something, for example, like what I'm interested in is making money on YouTube. So we're gonna make sure we're looking for just that general keyword. As you can see, when you type that, you'll see several of the different suggestions show up what people are actually searching for. As we can see, there's a lot of searches, 782K. And this way we can check the interest over time over the past 30 days according to YouTube. And this is based on the fact that we chose the general keyword. So we can see that it is trending. Now we can take it over to Google Trends. And we can see that there's interest there as well over the past 30 days for that general, that broader keyword. So now we know it is something that we can make a video about. Now that we know that, the next thing we want to do is narrow down a little bit, because if you're a fairly new channel, we need a little bit more of a long tail keyword because it'll be just too competitive to have such a broad keyword. But these are the suggestions that people are actually searching for. And I'm particularly interested in videos regarding not showing your face, just like this one. So let's search for that. As you can see, having an option here in the related searches, which is making money on YouTube without making videos, 2021, it's more relevant. It's 2021. 2020 would not have made that big of an impact. People are interested in now, not yesterday. So for the sake of the example, let's choose making money on YouTube without showing your face. Without being so specific, we wouldn't actually get to see the interest over time versus as it relates to YouTube trending. So as you can see, this is trending. So now we're going to switch up things to the second most important thing, which is ranking in search. And as we can see, this keyword is doing pretty well. It has an extremely high search volume. And just to make it clear, we're using all of the features in the free version, which is unweighted. And we'll get to that information a bit more when I talk about what's the difference between weighted and unweighted. So as we look at competition, it's pretty much, and this is as it relates to unweighted. This is the general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. If we have the paid version, which is weighted, it'll be specific to your channel pretty much. The optimization strength. This number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. If they're not well optimized, then it provides you an opportunity to break in and rank for the keyword by properly optimizing your video. As we quickly check in the Google Trends, this is a trending topic still. We can also see several related searches for other video ideas that would be good to target. And these are things that people are actually searching for. Ways to make money, best way to make money on YouTube without showing your face, 2021. So as we select one, we can see that according to TubeBuddy, it's an excellent score. It has good search volume and the competition is in the green. So that means it's a good keyword for us to target as well. So just to show you in the weighted version, which is in the paid version, based on the TubeBuddy account that I have connected to this YouTube channel, I would still have an excellent shot at ranking well for this specific search term. So the third thing that really helps is optimization, optimizing your videos to perform well. And what we're going to check here in TubeBuddy to help us with that is looking at the results tab. So what I like to do is analyze what makes these top 10 videos. This guy, Mike Vestile, he's ranking number 1, and you can see that he has how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Specific to that search term, it has 2021, so it's relevant. And in the thumbnail, which is extremely important, shows him making money in the background. Look at the second result, faceless channel ideas. It has specific, it has it in the thumbnail. I don't even need it to read the title, but in the title says how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And we did search for 2021, and they actually have that in their title as well. Channel ideas also adds something to it that makes somebody wants to click. This other example actually shows how much he's making a day in the thumbnail. Make money in bold. That's what somebody's interested about when they search for this specific term. It has makes money without showing your face. Again, 2021. Faceless YouTube niches. 27 YouTube niches to make money without showing your face. Free course. There's no wonder this video did so well. 263,000 views. People love free stuff, of course. What I would suggest to do here is take a closer look at the thumbnails, see what's working in the thumbnails, see what's working in the titles, use it for inspiration, and of course make it your own. And the other important thing at this time is still your tags. Not as relevant as the title and the thumbnail, however, it still is important. So as you just go over and click common tags, while all of this can be used as ideas, you also use this as the related search terms that people might search for and find your video. So you want to make sure that all of those tags are in your video as well. And when creating a video, it's just as simple as selecting all, hitting that action and copying to clipboard so you can easily paste them. The last thing I just wanted to mention briefly is as part of the paid version under the weighted tab, for this specific keyword, you can see what is the lowest amount of searches or the lowest amount of views, that the video in the top 10 results would have gotten, which is 268 in this case. And what is like my average is 310 for this particular channel. So that shows that there's a chance that I may rank in that top 10. So what do you think? Do those 3 tips really seem like it can make a difference to your video strategy? So if you are looking to grow your views, TubeBuddy is a great tool to get people to start looking at your videos. I'm pretty sure that it's because of TubeBuddy and applying these 3 simple steps is what helped me to get those initial views on those first few videos when I was just starting out on YouTube. And if you're a small YouTuber, I'm certain that these steps will help you as well. So once you get started with that, I think you're going to want to check out this video next. That's where I talk about what I would have done starting over and getting my first 50 subscribers in just 1 week. So I'll see you over there.